Hey everybody, this is Jordan and Jeff with Best Price Nutrition. Today, everyone's favorite video except ourselves is going to be on the Obsidian Smelling Salts. I absolutely hate doing these videos, but I guess we have to do them. So Obsidian, I think, has a lot of different flavors. These two flavors, again, I don't think either of us are looking forward to. Maybe you, but is tobacco and menthol scent.
Yeah, looking at the labels, you can obviously see marble type package. You got marble reds and then the marble menthol.
Yes. So smelling salts. So, smelling salts have been around for quite some time. Hockey players used to use them all the time. You take them, you whiff them. You may see like people, powerlifters at the gym before they're squatting or deadlifting. They may take a whiff of that. Gets your endorphins, just gets everything going and makes you
cracked out, pretty much.
Yes,
yeah.
And it gets you that lift in that you're trying to do, hitting that PR, and that's what people like. The other flip side of things, people just love doing it to their friends and just sticking up their nose and see what happens. So, but today we're going to try these out. So setting these up, sometimes smelling salts are different instructions, but this one is how not to die. So add 1 capful of water. Shake well, keep the bottle 2 to 4 inches from the nose. Let's remember that. And replace cap after
shove your nose in it.
Yes. So we've already activated this stuff. Shake yours up too. I want you getting so we're going to try it and see what these smell like. Okay?
Yep. So Jeff has menthol and I have tobacco.
Yeah. Oh, that's not good. Oh, I can really smell it.
Oh! Yeah. Woo.
Here, try that one.
That actually,
I think
you get the burn from the tobacco in the smoke. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, that one's worse. Oh,
that one's not that bad.
no, that one's really,
one's horrible.
Yeah. Oh, God, who smoked that stuff, man?
Yeah. No, that's like pure
Okay.
you're smoking a cigarette and you inhale
Tearing up
in
now.
your nose the smoke. Yeah, my eyes are very watery right now.
Okay.
Oh.
Whew. Yeah. If you ever need to fake cry to somebody, this is your way to do it.
I
I
want to go for a sprint now. I'm like, let's go work out.
Okay. It says filtered regret, and I think we both regret this. All right. So, it was strong. I think, what was the one that we did before that was really bad?
Nosebleed.
Nosebleed. Yeah, okay.
That's all I can smell right now.
And
Oh my.
menthol is definitely better.
I mean, this one's super light. You can feel the coolness hit your nose. That one is just like you're inhaling like cigarette smoke.
Yeah.
Which is wild that that's a kind of smelling salt.
Yeah, okay.
Oh. Yeah, that burns. This is cooling. That burns.
Yeah. I'm really glad I came back for 3 videos. Okay.
I think we're gonna end the video because both of us are dying over here.
Okay.
But these are available.
These are available at Best Price Nutrition. That's Jordan. I'm Jeff, and thank you for watching.